In every house, a secret hums, a tiny magic that quietly comes. Invisible, yet always there, connecting us beyond compare. It's Wi-Fi, friends, a wondrous stream, making our digital world a dream. But sometimes, oh, a curious plight, the signal fades, then vanishes from sight. One day, young Lily, smart and keen, noticed bars, a curious scene. Dead, blink and vanish, then reappear, filling her with a tiny fear. Where do they go? She'd often muse. Do they get lost? Do they refuse? She watched her tablet, bright and new, as one small bar just waved adieu. Then, a shimmer. Right by her hand, a tiny figure took a stand. A Wi-Fi bar, with eyes so bright, a mini hero, full of light. It sparkled, pulsed, a gentle gleam, like a pixelated living dream. Hello, it buzzed, a tiny sound, bar, from Wi-Fi underground. We don't just vanish, disappear, we're on a quest, no time for fear. When signals weaken slow and low, we race to make the data flow. Through walls and ceilings round the bend, we carry messages to send. A video needs a super push, we gather strength, then off, we rush. Sometimes a microwave so grand can briefly block our helping hand. Or too many screens, a busy day, make us work harder, come what may. Lily gasped, her eyes so wide, so you're not lost, you just go hide. Not hide, Bar chirped, with a tiny wink, we reroute, faster than you think. We find new paths, through air and space, to keep your internet in place. We're like small couriers, quick and free, ensuring your connectivity. So, next time bars begin to shrink, don't worry, friend, don't even think. We're simply working, day and night, to bring your digital world to light. Lily smiled, a knowing gleam, understanding Wi-Fi's secret dream. No longer fearing, no longer sad, she knew the Wi-Fi bars weren't bad. They were just heroes, tiny and fast, making sure our connections last. A secret world, unseen, untold, of Wi-Fi bars, brave and bold.